Finally. Okay, I'm gonna test it out. And okay, so it's super sweet, which makes it a little worse, but overall I give it a solid 8 out of 10. Subscribe for more flavors. I feel like having Prime now. Oh, what's this? Free Prime. Okay. Ah, it's empty. Wait, there's an arrow here. I think it's an arrow. Okay. Oh, I flip it. Huh. What is... Oh, I have to make the Prime. Okay. What about I make a video about it? Okay, that's good. Hello, it's again me, I'm Boy007, and today I'm gonna be making Prime. So, I found this earlier, how to make Prime. So, first we need filtered water. I don't know if it's filtered, but I mean it's water, so let's just put it in. Okay, I think that's a lot of water. Next, coconut water. Okay, I have coconut, and now I need water. Next, I need coconut. Put it in here. This is big brain how to make coconut water. This is very coconut water. I need spoon, so I put there more water. And the coconut's in. Okay, that's not good. Okay, next we need citric acid. So I think that's lime. Okay, let's put their lime. Okay, that's enough. Trimagnesium phosphate. That's over here. And I'm supposed to put there on a little bit. So let's put there on a little bit. That's a little bit. Okay. I hope it won't explode in my building. Next, natural flavors. I'm making the strawberry watermelon thingy, so I need strawberries. Here are strawberries. Now that they are washed, I will put them very carefully inside. Oh no, it's wet. Because it's strawberry watermelon, but we do not have watermelon. Water is blue, and what is also blue is blueberries. So we will put blueberries. Let me wash them. Now we need vegetable juice. I have not strawberry, I have raspberry here, but it's red, so it's close to strawberries, so let's put it there. Now it's red. The last step is mix it. Okay. Now it works. Yeah, got it almost. Okay, now that's good. Now, like this, take that, okay. Let's put it here. Okay, that does not work. Hold up, let me put it here. Okay. Let's just, we'll always put it in here. And then we'll pour it here back. And when this is full, we'll pour it here. Time lapse. Now, last cleanup. Now, I guess this is why Prime is so expensive, because from so much, you got so not much. Okay, let's put it in this thing, and now we put it over here in Prime. Okay, that's all. Oh. Nice. To make Prime even better, we need ice. So let's take an ice or two and put it inside. We'll leave it there until it melts.
One eternity later.
Ah, it's finally there. Now we close it. Now we made strawberry melon, but we put our ice so it's also ice pop. So I guess it fits. Plus blueberries, that is blue, air and coconut is white, and red is strawberries and melon we haven't put in. So now you gotta drink it. So, and of course I haven't face revealed it. So hold up. It tastes exactly the same like the ice pop. Yeah, 8 out of 10. And now, because I'm a total giga chat and I forgot to do 50 subscribers special, yeah, I'm gonna do it in this video also. So I'm gonna do the unthinkable. I'm gonna touch grass. Okay guys, I'm very sorry. I think I'm not gonna be posting anymore because I wanted to touch grass in Touching Grass Simulator. But it turns out it's over €1.50. And not even Mr. Beast had that money, so I don't lie to you. I had to fulfill my promise, so I have to actually cut grass, so oh my god. Okay, hold up. Oh my god. Do I really have to do this? Ah!